Everyone laughed at him, not because he was weak, not because he was not smart. They laughed because he spoke English very poorly. But what they didn't know, his small daily habits and his family's silent support, it would change his life completely. This is the story of Ravi, a boy from a small village. His family struggled with poverty. His father worked hard every day to earn money. His mother sacrificed her needs just to give Ravi a better future. They were not rich, but they had big dreams for him. Ravi was kind and honest, but inside he felt inadequate, less than his classmates. Because he could not speak a single sentence of English. In school, when he tried to read, his voice would shake, his hands would tremble, and the class would laugh at him. That day, his confidence broke. He went home, silent. His mother noticed. She asked softly, Ravi, what happened? Ravi didn't answer, but his eyes said everything. That night, he heard his parents talking. His father said, I just want him to do better than me. His mother replied, he will do it one day. We just need to support him. Ravi was listening, and for the first time, he felt something different inside. Not shame, but responsibility. That night, he asked himself, can I improve and can I speak English very well? And a small hope was born and he felt positive. The next day, he started small, just 10 minutes. 10 minutes of reading English. He didn't understand everything. He made mistakes. He felt embarrassed, but he stayed consistent in learning. Day by day, he built a new habit. Late at night, when everyone was sleeping, Ravi was practicing. Sometimes his mother would wake up and silently watch him, with tears in her eyes, but also pride in her heart. Months passed. Slowly Ravi started changing. His fear became confidence. His weakness became strength. One day, the teacher called his name again and said to him, Ravi, read this. He stood up. His heart was beating fast. But this time, he remembered his parents, their sacrifices, their hopes, and suddenly he felt strong. He spoke, not perfect, not fluent, but confident. The class became silent. No one laughed, because this was not the same Ravi. This was a transformed Ravi. The same people who laughed at him before now respected him. That evening, Ravi went home, and for the first time, he spoke a few English sentences in front of his parents. They didn't understand everything, but they smiled. His father's eyes filled with tears. His mother felt proud because they didn't see perfect English, they saw progress. Ravi was not talented. He was not rich, but he had something powerful, a dream, discipline, and a family who believed in him. So when people laugh at you, don't lose hope, because your hard work and your family's belief can change everything.